Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will share with you unboxing first look of a new SRM knife that I got. This will be the SRM Knives 251M-MN. Here's the model number. Those were interesting, made in China of course, and caution, keep sharp things away from children. Nice to see that somebody cares. Okay, so it comes in a standard paper box with this nice little pouch here. And as you can see, this is a really nice, symmetrical, straight design. It has this spear point or dagger shaped blade to it, so something really interesting and nice. If you are looking back to the offering of Sunred Mood, they are definitely making nice different designs, not keeping a ton of the same themes going around. So I don't know who is the designer, because they keep it in-house probably, so it is some engineer inside SRM. And we have a over length of 17.6 centimeters, that is 6.9 inches. The blade length is 7.5 centimeters or 3 inches, with a width of 2.3 centimeters or 0.9 inches. Thickness is 2.5 millimeters or 0.1 inch. Hand length 10.2 centimeters or 4 inches, with a thickness of 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches, that is measured without the width of the pocket clip. As far as materials goes, on the blade we have Bohler's N690 stainless steel with a spear point and stonewashed, fine stonewashed finish. The handle scales are made out of aluminum, which is nicely anodized to a darker gray shade, and we have natural brown canvas micarta inlays on both sides, and nicely engineered nested full stainless steel liners, which are nicely skeletonized. So quite a nice engineering did go inside this one. As far as pivot assembly goes, we have caged ball bearing washers on both sides, keep it really nice and smooth. We have one standoff and open construction. As far as opening goes, you can either use the centrifugal force and depress the axis lock or crossbar lock and open it that way, or slowly roll it via this jimping here. Like I mentioned, this is a spear point design, sharpened only on one side, the other side is flat. On the blade we have the SRM logo, so stay ready for more. And on the other side we have the model number, and I don't know if there's a serial number or some kind of other numbering that SRM is using. Steel variant on there. As far as the pocket clip goes, we have a really nice wire pocket clip construction with medium to light stiffness. As far as variants goes, you can choose either from a CF inlay or this brown canvas micarta, which I always appreciate. Brown is my favorite micarta color, so I was really happy that SRM does continue the brown micarta trend. As far as the weight goes, we have 64.2 grams or 2.3 ounces. Now, as you probably see, as far as also size goes, I have XL size hand, so this is for me. Yes, I can choke up a little bit on the blade and have it 4 fingers, but 3.5 is probably safe for me. This is your nice, I would say, EDC slash also self-defense type of knife you can have inside your coat or maybe inside your jacket. It will not weight you down at those 2.3 ounces. It is really lightweight. They done a really great job on the skeletonization with this nice water clip. It's nice and stays hidden because it's almost true deep carry, but I would call it a semi deep carry because a little bit is poking out. But it could be confused or misunderstood as a pen, so it is up to you if you would like to have it this way. There is also a little bit of cutout here to emphasize the opening. The teeth are not only for so they are functional, what I would like to say. As far as the opening goes, no problems there. Okay, let's try also the lock. Okay, so this is nice and safe. And let's take out a little bit of paper here and see the sharpness out of the box. This is really nice and sharp. So now let me show you a few size comparisons that I prepared here on my table. So firstly, let's take out the Kaiser 5s. This is the XL size. This one is more to the standard 5 sizing, so do not get confused with like that. Here is the previous model that I got from SRM. This is the model, let me check, 251M-MN. So they are going one size down with this new knife here. Then let's see my ProTech TR2. CJRB Pyrite Oat. Berker Automat Kalashnikov 74. Best Techman Dundee. Watchman W111. Let's see the CVV Elementum and also the QSP Penguin. Bucksprint Pro. CJRB Feldspar Mini. Small grip Tyrian from Benchmade. Benchmade Bug Out. Petrified Fish 494. Sorry. I did forget the number here, so it is the 949X, so the Warrior, the smaller one. CRKT Pillar 1. CVV Rustic Gent. Paramilitary 3. Let's see the Kaiserberg Lighter 2. Red Model 2. Spyderco Delica. Buxoran. Kershaw Leak. Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the Kevlar Dozier Folding Hunter. So overall, if you are looking for a really nice medium to small sized EDC with a nice spear point or dagger style blade, then the SRM is a really nice option here for you. As far as pricing goes, the MSRP is $84.95. These usually go for around $75 or 70 euros at this price point. Yes, I would probably wait if they drop a price a little bit at around 65. It will be probably a sweet spot for me. But yes, even at 70 euros or $75, I still buy it because it is a really good knife and really nice shape and design. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.